Good morning. We're going to get started with our math lesson today. We're going to continue talking about the number 8 and the number 9 today. So the numbers 8 and 9. Okay, so we're going to start with a little bit of number talks, and let's see if you can tell me what number this is. Okay, if you said number 9, you're correct, and you can tell somebody, you can even tell your stuffed animal how you made the number 9 there. Okay, did you see 3, 3, and 3? Did you see 6, 7, 8, 9? Did you count each dot? How did you know? Okay, and again, that's the number 9. All right, let's look at this one. Okay, if you said the number 9, you are correct. Tell that person, your stuffed animal, your dog, whoever's close, tell them how you made the number 9. Okay, remember that's the number 9. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, if you said 9, you are correct. And tell that person how you made the number 9. Okay, here's another one. If you said 9, you're correct. You can tell them if you counted each dot or if you moved a dot, and then how you counted them after you did that, how you saw that. Okay, and one more. Okay, and this one has 2 different colors of dots that kind of give you a way that you could see that, okay? So if you said 9, you're correct, and maybe you saw that there was 4 of the gray dots and 5 of the black dots, so maybe you said 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, because 5 and 4 makes 9. Okay. All right, we're going to get started on our paper today, and so you'll need the paper that looks like this one. All right, so it looks like a little gift store, and you're going to need a pencil, or I'm going to use a marker so hopefully you can see better. Whatever you have handy you can use, okay? So the first thing we're going to start doing is see what we notice about this paper, okay? So let's look at the items that we have. We have some jelly or jam, we have some candles, we have some flower pots, and we have some coffee cups, okay? So what do you notice about the jam? Okay, do you notice that there's 5 red jams on the top and 3 blue jams? Okay, and that makes 8 jams altogether. Because if you look at this, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but if you look at this like this, that's a 10 frame, right? Okay, and if you look at the top, that's just like a 5 frame right there. So I can say 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a quick way to count. So let's look at the candles, okay? Let's pretend that this is a 10 frame. Okay. And what do you notice? What do you notice about the candles? Do you notice that there's 4 yellow candles and there's 4 green candles? So 4 and 4 make 8. And if you look, the 10 frame is filled in the same in this box and this box. So that's it. You can tell that that is 8. Okay, so let's look at the flower pots over here. We've got another 10 frame here. Okay, our top row is full. So that means there's how many in that top row? 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our top row has 5 yellow flowers. If we look at the bottom row, every box is full but 1. So that means there's 4 boxes full. And there's 4 red flowers. So 5 and 4 make 9. Because if this box was full, that would be 10. Okay, and 1 less than 10 is 9. Okay, so let's look at this bottom box, bottom 10 frame, okay? So I have how many in the top row? I have 5 blue coffee cups in the top row, right? And in the bottom row, I have 3 red coffee cups and then 1 empty box, right? So I need to draw a coffee cup there. And we're going to pretend that it's red, okay? So whatever color you're using is fine. Okay, so you're going to draw a coffee cup in that box. Okay, and now you have 4 red coffee cups and 5 blue coffee cups, which again makes 9. Okay, so see how that looks the same as the top as the flowers? Okay, because those are both 9. So let's look at, well, we kind of already talked about that. We talked about how the jam and the candles are the same, right? There's not more or less. But if we looked at the jars of jam and the flowers, which one has the same? I mean, which one has the most? Okay, the flowers do, right? There's 9 flowers and there's 8 jars of jam. And if we looked at the candles and the mugs, which one would have let's say which one has the least this time? Okay, the candles would be the least, the smallest, okay, because there's 8 candles and 9 mugs. All right, and that's all that we're gonna do on that page today. Let me find my math book, and we will do a couple word problems real quick. Okay, so remember when we do word problems, we use our hands to help us, okay? So, if we had 8 candles, so we got 5 on this hand, 6, 7, 8. We've got 8 candles, okay? Someone takes 3 candles away, so we want to take 3 of them away. How many are left? Okay, it's easy to see when we use our hands. How many are left? 5. 5 candles are left. Good. Okay, now there are 5 jars of jam on the shelf. 3 more jars are put on the shelf. How many jars of jam are on the shelf now? And all you have to do to find the answer is count those fingers, okay? So say 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 jars of jam are on the shelf now. Okay, now we have 9 flowers, 5 are yellow, and the rest are pink. Okay, if 5 of them are yellow and the rest are pink, how many are pink? And if you said 4, you're correct, because here's our 5, so the answer has to be 4. All right, we are all done with our math lesson today. So I will see some of you back here in a little bit for our teams meeting, and the rest of you I will see tomorrow. Okay, thank you.